Hello, everyone. This is Christopher with Sundance Marine, the #1 Regal boat dealer in the United States. Today, we're excited. We are going to take you for a ride with us on the brand new Regal 42XO. This is a new model just introduced about a year ago. Today, we're running from Lighthouse Point down to Hullover Marina near Hullover Inlet to get ready to deliver this boat to its new owner. So join us. We're going to try to get some great drone footage. We're going to get some interior shots. We're going to try to give you a little flavor of the Regal 42XO.